Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. And in today's class, we are going to do statistics. A very interesting topic. So please be ready with your pen, pencil, and your stationaries. And we can do the sum. It's a very important chapter in your SSC exam as well. All right, moving on to the first sum we have. Now, the first question is about median, and this question has been asked in the year 2022. All right? Yes. So your first question is the median of -4, -6, -5, 3, 0, 5, and 11 is dash. So we already know to find out the median, we need to see whether the series is an odd series or an even series. If it is even, then it is n by 2. If it is odd one, then it would be n plus 1 by 2th item, isn't it? All right. So now let's just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it is an odd one, isn't it? So, and before we move with this median, the first thing that we need to do is we need to arrange it in a ascending order or a descending order, right? So after that, you have to check whether it is an even or an odd. If it is even, then it is n by 2. If it is an odd number, then it becomes n plus 1 by 2th item, isn't it? Okay. So being the first question, we'll do it for you. Yes. Arranging the terms in ascending order, here we are going from the negative to the positive, isn't it? So -6, -5, -4, 0, 3, 5, and 11. And if you see, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 is an odd number. So when it is an odd number, then the median becomes n plus 1 by 2th item. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So from the left hand side, if you see 4th item, we get 0. Isn't it? That's why the middle term, it is the median. So median is a middle term in the arranged data set. Therefore, the median is 0. All right, students. So hope you all are getting the answers. With this, we are moving on to our next question. If mode is 29, mean is 32, then what is median? All right. So let's look through the sum again. If mode is 29, mean is 32, then what is median? So there's a formula for this. You can use that formula and then give me the answers. This question is being asked in the year 2022. So mode is 29, mean is 32, then what is median? Right now, let's see the answer. It is the first formula that you need to know is mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Right? So what is mode over here? Mode is 29. That is equal to 3 times of median that we don't know minus 2 times of mean, that is 32. So 29 is equal to 3 median minus 64. So what is 3 median? When this minus 64 comes the other side, it becomes plus 64. So we have 29 plus 64 is 93. Therefore, median is equal to 93 divided by 3, which will give us 31. All right. So we have to choose our option 4, that is 31, as the correct answers. Hope you all are understanding, students. And let's see the next question, and then we'll see how many students are giving the correct answers. Yeah. Our next question is, if the median of 6, 7, x, 8, y, 14 is 9. Now what is, if the mean, sorry, not median, mean. So if the mean of all these numbers are 9, then we need to find out the value of x plus y, right? So we all know how to find out the value of mean is, we have to add up everything, that is 6 plus 7 plus x plus 8 plus y plus 14 is equal to 9, right? And then we'll get, you add up everything, then divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6 is equal to 9, right? So you can bring out x plus y separately. So x plus y, the value will be 54 minus 35, which will give x plus y is 19. All right? Yes. Hope you would have done the sum correctly. Right. Now see the next question. The arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. Among them, 2 students got 0 marks. Then arithmetic mean of the remaining students is dash. Is it clear? So the arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. So among them, among the 30 students, 2 got 0. So then what is arithmetic mean of the remaining students? So what you should take, for 30 students, it is 42 marks, isn't it? So how about for 28 students? That is how you have to calculate. So for 28, what is the arithmetic mean? I'm just giving you 2 minutes. You can think over it nicely and then give me the answers. Yes, I think the answers are coming. Yes. Diksha, Nida, Snigdha, Shrutasya, Tejashree. All right. So many of you are trying. All right. Now let's see. Fine. So students, you can see here the answers has been beautifully displayed. As two students got 0 marks, sum of 30 students is equal to sum of 28 students. Okay. So sum of 28 students is what? That is, arithmetic mean of 28 students is equal to sum of 28 students divided by 28. All right. So you get 1260 by 28. And by the way, how do you get 1260 is, first you have to take the arithmetic mean of 30 students. So arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. How do you get that arithmetic mean of 30 students? Sum of 30 students divided by 30. Okay. So sum of 30 students divided by 30. So therefore sum of 30 students is equal to, what is arithmetic mean of 30 students? You just have to, add up, they say that it is 42, isn't it? So 42 is equal to 30, sum of 30 students divided by 30. So sum of 30 students will become 30 into 42, which will give 1260. So now we want only 28 students. So 1260 divided by 28 students, that would give us the arithmetic mean of 28 students. All right. Yes. Now let's move on to the next very easy question. So you can all answer this question, students. A very simple one. The median of 17, 31, 12, 27, 15, 19, 23 is dash. All right. So as I told you, first arrange it in either ascending or descending order. After that, you have to check whether it is a even number or an odd number. If it is an even number, then the median will be n by 2th item. If it is an odd number, then the median will be n plus 1 by 2th item. All right. So this question has been asked in the year 2021. You can take your 1 full minute to give me the answers. Put your answers in the chat box. Give your answers to quickly, students. All right. Let's see, it is 19. So when you count the number of the numbers in this series, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, it is 7. 7 is an odd number. Therefore, your median would be 7 plus 1 by 2th observation. So now we are making the numbers into ascending, that is from the smaller to the higher. It can also be made from the higher to the smaller. So here now we are making it smaller to the higher, that is 12, 15, 17, 19, 23, 27, 31. Now your median will be 7 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 4th observation. So from the left hand side, if you see what is the 4th one, then it is 19. That's how you are getting your answer to be 19. All right? Yes. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Mode of A, B, C, D, and so on till Z is dash. Right? So one thing you should understand, what is mode? The more number of times when a variable or a number gets repeated more than once. Okay, so minimum is 2, maximum can be infinity. So that's called mode. So that is any variable or numericals which gets repeated more number of times. So now a very simple question. So think about this and then give me the answers. Think whether do we have mode, by the way. All right, so here there is no mode because not even one variable is repeated. So there is no repetition of alphabets, there is no mode. All right, now see the next question. In 100 numbers, 20 are 4s, 40 are 5s, 30 are 6, the remaining are 10s, and then arithmetic mean is dash. Right? So it's a very fine question. So try to understand the question, students. In 100 numbers, 20 are 4s, 40 are 5s, 30 are 6s, remaining are 10s. Then arithmetic mean is dash. Try yourself. You can take your 1 full minute. and then give your answers. Your time is running. Yeah, let's see the answer. In 100, 20 are fours, which means 20 into 4. Okay. 40 are fives, that is 40 into 5. 30 are 6, which means 30 into 6. And remaining is what? 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. So the remaining is 10. So 10 is the remaining are tens. So 10 into 10. So just multiply, add it, you will get 560. Divided by 100, you will get 5.6. All right, now let me see how many of you have given the correct answers. Yes, I have Sai, Vaishnavi, good, Harshita, Lakshmi, Diksha, Sahasra, Amulya, Sahasra again, Navatej, Harshavardhan, Snigdha, Ashwini, Geetika, Navatej, God. Yes, so many are giving me the correct answers. Good students, with this we are moving on to our next question. See the next question. The mean of 6, 5, 4, x, 2 is 4. What is the value of x? So I'm sure you all can do this. All right, let's see. All right, so 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus x plus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 5, 17 plus x. Thank you. 17 plus x by 5 is 4. All right, so this by is common. So now what is the value of x? So this implies 17 plus x is equal to 20. 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. Therefore, your x is equal to 20. When the 17 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 17. Therefore, your x is 3. So, your option and your answer must be first, and the answer is 3. All right. So, hope you all would have got it. It's a very simple question. You just have to add everything divided by the number. That is You have to just count it. Okay, right. Now see the next question. What is the median of 16, 12, 4, 5, 6? As I said, first arrange it either ascending or descending. So 4, 5, 6, 12, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd number, which is 5 plus 1 by 2th item. So 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 is third item. So what is the third item? It is 6. Therefore, your median is 6. Right? Yes. Hope you would have got it. Yes. See the next question. So find the mode of 7, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4. So 4 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 3 times. Isn't it? So what is mode? This question has been asked in the year 2018. Now what is mode? The maximum number, the maximum times that a number is getting repeated would be the mode. Okay. So it is 3 because 3 is repeated 3 times. 4 is repeated only 2 times. Okay, right. Now see the next question. The mid values of the class is used to calculate dash. So you can take 1 full minute to think over it and then give me the answer. The mid values of the class is used to calculate arithmetic mean, median, mode, and none. Yes, so take your time and quickly try to give me the answer, students. The mid values of the class is used to calculate arithmetic mean, median, mode, none. All right, it is arithmetic mean. Right, now see the next question. If median is 60, mean is 61, what is mode? So we already saw the formula, one formula which connects all these three. Isn't it? So what was that formula? It is nothing but mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. All right, so 3 median minus 2 mean. Now that's what they're asking us. So mode is equal to 3 times of 60 minus 2 times of 61. So 180 minus 121. Isn't it? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 threes are 18. So 180 minus 122 is 58. So your answer must be option 1. Let's see. Yes. And now let us also find out how many of you have given me the correct answers. Yes. So here I have Snigdha, Navatej, again Navatej, Deeksha, Kalyani, Harshavardhan. I have Supriya, Sahasra, Deeksha, Lakshmi, Amulya, Lavanya, Ashwini, Snigdha, Nida, Pranita, Vaishnavi, Navatej, God. Stop chatting. This is the place where you have to give the answers. Amulya, Satvika, Kalyani, Lavanya, Sahasra. Many more has given me the answer, students. Good. Yes, Navatej, stop chatting, otherwise we'll remove you. All right, now let's see the next question. Yes. From the following table, determine the median of the data. All right, so it takes full 2 minutes. You can try doing it and then give me the answers. So you need to you need to determine the median of the data. Right? So far we have found out median only when the numbers or any variables or alphabets are given without any supplementary weight or limits or whatever. Right. So now in this question they have asked you to find out the median, giving the weight and the number of students. So you can take your 2 minutes and then give me the answer, students. Work out because this is median. So you have weight, you have number of students, and now you need to find out the median. So quickly do it. Time is given to you. Let's see the answer. It is 34. Yes, you can see now. See, students, in the first column, weight has to be written. That is 30, 32, 34, 35, and 40. And number of students has to be written in the second column. That is 4, 6, 7, 12, and 2. And what is the cumulative frequency of the number of students is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31. And now 31 is an odd number. So we need to find out the median by using this form. That is n plus 1 by 2th item. So 31 plus 1 is 32 by 2, which is 16th item. So 16th item, you should see where it is lying. Right? So you should see the cumulative frequency. If you see 16, you don't have exactly 16, but you have less than 16 as 10, more than 16 as 17. Isn't it? So you should always take 16 as the greater end only. So determine the median mean. So you should take 17, whereby the weight is 34. So that is how your answer is 34. Is it clear? So you need to first take the weight, find the number of students, take the cumulative frequency of the students, and then use the formula. If it is odd, you should use n plus 1 by 2th item. If it is even, then it is n by 2th item. All right? Yes. So the mean of first 10 natural numbers is dash. What is the mean of n natural numbers? Is it n, n plus 1, n plus 1 by 2, or n by 2? A very simple question, students. I'm sure you can answer. This was asked in the year 2018. right? And it is n plus 1 by 2. The mean of first 10 natural number is n plus 1 by 2. Right. See the next question. For the data 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 2, 8, 11, 4, 8, 12, 4. Okay. Mean minus mode is dash. So now what is mode over here? The maximum number, the maximum times a number gets repeated. Isn't it? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is getting repeated 4 times. Therefore, your mode is 4. How about your mean? Your mean is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 11 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 4 divided by 12. 12 times the numbers are there. So you just have to add everything. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, right? So 12 plus 7, 19, 19, 23, 25, 25, 25 plus 8, 33 plus 11, 43, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 8, 56, 56 plus 12, 66, 68, 68 plus 4, 72. So 72 by 12 is 12 6 are, isn't it? 6 2s are 12. Yes. So your mean minus mode is, your mean is 6 minus your mode is 4, which is 2. So your answer must be option 2. Mean minus mode. Let's see. Yes, it is. Now, how many students have given me the right answers? After a long time, I'm seeing your names. I have Deeksha, Nida, Sri Chandana, Lavanya, Amulya, Tejashri, Manognya, Sahasra, Vasant, Vaishnavi, Pranita, Deeksha. Yes. Tejashwini, Harshavardhan. Yes. So almost all have given me the right answers. Good students. With this, we are moving on to the next question. From which of the following curves we can find the median of a data? Is it bar graph? Is it histogram, frequency polygon, or Ogive curves? So you can think, 1 full minute is given to you. Quickly think and then give me the answers. From which of the following curves we can find the median of a data? Is it bar graph, histogram, or frequency polygon, or Ogive curves? So it's simple. You can quickly think over the answer and then give me. Yes, I am getting the answers. Let's see, it is Ogive curves. All right. Now see the next question. The sum of the observation of a data is 576 and its arithmetic mean is 18. The number of observation of the data is dash. So 576 by x is equal to 18. Right? So find out x. See, I have given you the answers also. So this was asked in the year 2018. So such simple questions have come. Let's pray that even you all must get easy questions. Quickly give me the answer, students. Sum of the observation of a data. Sum divided by 18 is 576. What is sum? 18, 18, you have there 576. So 576 divided by x is equal to 18. So 576 divided by 18 will give us the answer for x. Yeah. So as I told you, mean is 18. Sum of observation is 576 divided by number of observation, that is n, is what? So n will be 576 divided by 18. All right? Yes. Let's see the next question, which has been asked in the year 2017. The width of the class in the distribution having class intervals 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60 is dash. The width of the class in the distribution having class intervals 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60 is dash. One full minute you can take, students, to give the answers. Think over it and then finalize your answer. Yes, let's see the answer. Width of the class is 21 minus 1 or 40 minus 20. So it is like any one place you should put minus 1. For example, if you take 41 minus 60, you should minus 1 and 40. So it becomes 60 minus 40, which is 20. And there you can minus 21 minus 1, which is 20. Therefore, 40 minus 20 is 20. All right. So that is how you are getting the answers as 20. Now, let's see the next question. The arithmetic mean of the following data is dash. So this question has been asked in the year 2017. So the class interval is 0 to 10, frequency is 5, 10 to 20, 14, 20 to 36. So it is 18.4, 19.4, 12.4, 15.4. Right? So you need to give the correct answers for such arithmetic mean. Yes, good answers are coming. Let's see how many of you are giving me the answers. I have with me Manugna, Sahasra, Vasant, Vaishnavi, Pranita Gaur, Deeksha, Tejashwini, Harshavardhan, Nida, Vinuta. Isn't it? Yes, good. Now see the question. Let's see the answer for this. It is 15.4. How? You can see here the class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. The frequency is 5, 14, 6. And now you need to take the midpoint of the class intervals. That is 0 to 10 is 0 plus 10 by 2. 10 to 20 is 10 plus 20 by 2. 20 to 30 is 20 plus 30 by 2. So you get the midpoint as 5, 15, 20. Now you have to multiply f into x. That is frequency into the midpoint. 5 into 5, 14 into 15, 6 into 25, which will give 25 to 10, 150. Right? So now what is the mean? F of x, that is total of 25 to 10, 150 divided by sum of f. That is 5 plus 14 plus 6, which is 15.4. All right? Yes, good. Now let's move on to the next question. If mean is 44, median is 42, then what is mode? Right? So again, a very simple formula you can use and then get the answer. To find the value of mode, 3 median minus 2 mean. Isn't it? 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean will give us the mode. Yes. Now with this, I'm sure you can give me the answer. I'm giving you time to work out. Please work out and then give me the answers. Yes, students, so do it very fast. All right, let's see the answer. It is 38. So 3 median minus 2 mean, 3 times of 42 minus 2 times of 44 will give us 126 minus 88, which will give us 38. So your option is 3, 38 is the correct answer. This question was asked in the year 2014. Now see the next question. Which of the following is more consistent? Is it arithmetic mean? Is it median, mode, or none? Which of the following is more consistent? Is it arithmetic mean, median, mode, or none? Right? So which of the following is more consistent? Arithmetic mean, median, mode, or none? Right? It is arithmetic mean. So that is supposed to be more consistent. All right. Yes, now let's see how many of you have given me the right answers. Yes, I have more answers. Vasant, Vaishnavi, Pranita, God, Deeksha, Tejashwini, Harshavardhan, Nida, Vinuta, Sai, Pranita. All right, good students. Now let's move on to the next question. The mean of a plus 1, a plus 3, a plus 4, and a plus 8 is dash. Very simple, just add up everything and divide it by 4. That's all. So think, do it, and then give me the answers. Your time is running. Quickly give me the answers. Yes, let's see the answer. Mean, that is x bar is a plus 1 plus a plus 3 plus a plus 4 plus a plus 8 divided by 4. So if you add up all the a's, you will get 4a. And the numericals, if you add 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So it is 4a plus 16 by 4, which means if you take 4 outside, it will be a plus 4. Then 4, 4 will get cancelled. Thereby your answer is a plus 4. All right, now see the next question. The mean of n observations x1, x2, and so on till xn repeatedly f1, f2, and so on till fn times respectively is dash. So this is again a formula based question. Quickly give me the answers. Yes, think over it and then give me the answer, students. Is it sigma I is equal to 1 xi fi or fi xi or fi? All right, enough time was given, and the answer is sigma I is equal to 1 fi xi by sigma I is equal to n, where I is equal to 1 fi. Right? Yes. See the next question. A data has 13 observations arranged in Descending order. Which observation represents the median of the data? So it is 13 plus 1 by 2th item, 14 by 2 is 7th item. So this is what your answer has to be. But students, you can think, and if your answers are a little different, you can always tell us. Put your answers in the chat box. You do it by yourself and then give the answers. Think over it and then give me the answers. A data has 13 observations arranged in descending order. Right. So which observation represents the median? So it is 7th. Okay. See, I told you the number of observation is 13, which is odd number. Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. So 13 plus 1 by 2 is 7th item. All right. Yes. Cumulative frequency is used to calculate median, mean, mode, or none. Cumulative frequency is used to calculate median, mean, mode, none. So, such a simple question, it is median. So, cumulative frequency formula is L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency by Fm into C. Right. Now, see the next question. Under the usual notations, the formula for calculating mode for grouped frequency distribution is dash. So, 4 options are given, and so it is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Right? Yes. With one question, we'll finish off today's class. The median of 5, 6, 9, 10, 8, 4, 3, 7, 11. Right? So what is that first thing that we need to do in the students? We have to first arrange this in a ascending order, descending order. Right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Right. So now this is the median. It is arranged only in ascending. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means 9 plus 1 by 2th item. So which is 10 by 2, which is 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your option must be option 2. Yes. Good students. So many of you have given me the right answers. Almost all is given me. Vaishnavi, Pranita, I have Deeksha, I have Harshavardhan, Nida, Vinuta, Sai, Pranita. Yes. So many more has given me the correct answers. Good students. So with this, today we stop for the class, and tomorrow we'll meet with another very interesting topic and the subject. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, And do send us a WhatsApp if you have any queries. 7337285228. I repeat, 7337285228. Tell about our classes to your friends, your teachers, your neighbors, and your relatives so that they can also join our group and get benefited by it. All right, over to you, Smriti ma'am.
All right, students, see you tomorrow in the class. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.